Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pretty cool Discord server with like cool rule looking stuff, cool ranks, just how to make a cool server. Let's just jump into it. So the first thing you want to do obviously is create it. You can find that by down here. Anyway, you can create it, do a server name. Since I'm redoing my my current fan server, I'm just gonna name it something different. I'm gonna do I'm thinking of something like a very cool server. Anyway, so everything's good. We just start with this, right? I'm gonna hop out of general for a sec. Now this is gonna be my main lobby. I'm gonna have, I'm gonna have people talking here, whatever. First thing I want to do is I'm gonna add a channel topic. Just so people kind of, it's not needed at all. But just so people kind of can see it, be like, oh, okay, cool. So I'm gonna write something like, here you can talk about random things, like like getting a new car or something. I don't know. Okay, cool. If it's a not safe for work channel, you can click it on and off. Basically, what that'll do is just you'll have to confirm that you're 18 plus to go into that channel, which we do not need to do right now. So everything looks good. Save changes. We can go over these later when I'm talking about other stuff. Anyway, we have general done. Like if you see on the top here you can talk about random things like getting our new car or something. I don't know. So cool, general, right? Awesome, that's so cool, right? Now I want to make a channel for art. So I could just do a plus, or I can go here and do create channel. Anyway, I'm gonna call it art because I know some artist friends that like to post their art. So we got general art, and then I'm just gonna be right back, and I'm gonna set a channel topic for this. Okay, there we go. That's good. Everything looks good. Nice. So we have general and art. Next thing I want to do is probably something like, you know what? First, I'm gonna check back to my server, see what we have. We have self-advertise. I could do that. We have games. I could do that. And memes. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna add self-advertise. I'm gonna call it promo because it's shorter than self-advertise. And just here, you know what? And I'm gonna make another channel topic. Cool. Looks good. Everything's cool. Okay. You know what? Let's add a memes. Memes, everyone loves them. So let's just add that. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna share a topic, the channel topic. There we go. Okay, so right now it's looking okay. Looking fine. Perfect. Now, you can just add whatever you want. Anything. I'm gonna come back when I've added some other stuff that I wanted to add. Like, I don't know, just maybe a music channel, which I can show you how to do later. Anyway, I'm gonna come back when I've done these channels. Okay, so as you can see here, I added only one, but I'll add more another time. Now, what we'll move on is categories. Now, categories are really cool because, as you can see here, this is a category. This is one. And if you look on this server, you have a category here, here, a lot of categories. And they're cool because you can close them, make it nice, neat. So, I'm gonna add a category for stuff like rules, announcements. Okay, so I've come up with a name, and I'm gonna name it info. So if we go up here, we can do create category, and now I'm gonna call it info, right? And I'm gonna put whatever really in here. I'm gonna put it on the top so that people can see it. I'm gonna put in rules, links to my stuff, whatever. Now first, let's start with rules. Now this is a bit different from making a normal chat because obviously you don't want just random people going in there messing about, typing whatever. So we're gonna create a channel, name it rules, right? And if we go into here, we're gonna okay, I just had to cough. If we go into here, we're gonna say here are the rules. That's no, yeah, there you go. That's basically it. Okay, and now if we go into permissions, now this is where we kind of manage everything, right? So it has a bunch of permissions that you can do. Some have explanations. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through it to how to make a rules thing. Now, first thing you want to do, you can do whatever you want with here. Create an instant invite that just invites you to the channel, which is a bit weird. I'm gonna do it, yeah. Manage channel, because since this is for everyone, just normal people, I'm just gonna do no, because I don't want them, doing anything. So basically, anything with manage, that stuff, probably turn it off. Unless they're an admin, you can. I'm gonna show you actually how you can make admins use it. Anyway, so turn off manage. Now read messages. Yeah, you want them to read it, right? Now send messages. No, so that it's nice and neat. Send TTS messages. You don't even have to turn that off. It's already gonna be off because of this. But I just like to keep it off because I'm OCD. I have minor OCD in my opinion. Manage messages. No. Basically anything with manage, like I said. Obviously, you don't have to turn this off because it's under send messages. But, just whatever. Read message history. Yes, that's important because, so they can see what happened. Anyway, just turn it on. So all you have to turn it on really is read messages and read message history. Mention everyone. You don't have to turn it on, like I said. Use external emojis. This is fine. You can do reactions or not. You know what? I feel like doing none so that it doesn't mess up the rules. And there we go. Now, if you want to have like a co-owner, right? And you want them to be able to add in rules and stuff, you can. Right, I have to add a role. Okay, I'll be right back. So I guess I have to teach you how to add a role first. Now the first thing you have to do basically is go up here again, go to server settings, then roles, and so pretty, you can add colors and stuff. First I'm just gonna add an admin. I'm gonna do, admin, right, just for this tutorial. Give it a nice orange color, whatever. Admins, basically they have any permission, they're kind of like co-owners. So, allow anyone to add. Mention this role, display role members separately from online members. Cool, right? And now, you don't even have to check everything here. If they're an admin, you can just end everything and they can do anything. So you know what? There we go. Actually, no, I'm gonna, let's add some more roles to show you kind of what you should do. So let's say I want to do, a fan. I'm gonna probably change this another time, but just a farm. Just as a base, right? Add a cool color. Allow, don't. You can do whatever you want with this. You can maybe allow people to mention it, but if there's a lot of these, it's gonna be a bit annoying. So I'm gonna turn it off. Now you don't want to put admin because then they'll be able to do anything. And basically we got view audit log. This kind of sees audit logs are kind of like stuff that happens on the server. Manage server, manage roles, manage channels, because they're new, right? I don't want them, doing whatever in the server. I don't want them to kick or ban members. That'll be a bit weird. Create instant invite, sure. Add some friends in, change their nickname, cool. But if you don't want people to changing their nicknames all the time, then just turn this off. Manage nicknames, no. That means they could change other people's nicknames, which could be a bit messy. Manage emojis, manage webhooks, just turn it off. Read text C, on. TTS messages, it's like the text to speech, and it's really annoying if people use it a lot, so I'll just turn it off. Manage messages, no, because then they could delete people's messages. Embed links, attach files, read message everyone, read message history. This is fine, but so here we have mention everyone. Since I don't want it to get a bit annoying if a random person does it, I'm gonna turn it off. It'll be fine. Now, external emojis, fine. Add reactions, fine. Awesome. Connect speak, mute members, deafen members, move members, turn this off. Or it's already going to be off, but yeah, just they'll be able to do whatever. So this is just a base, and you could add other stuff like moderators, and you can just, you know, make them be able to view audit log, manage roles and stuff, whatever you like. But this is just going to be a base so I can teach you how to do the rules thing. So if we go back to the rules and we add admin, we can make it so that he can do basically anything, right? Just turn this all on. This doesn't have an administrator thing, so, you know. And basically, you can just do that for an admin, and they'll be happy. They can do anything. Yeah, you mostly don't want people to messing about, even mods. So, cool. We have an admin. He can do anything. Now we got the rules. Now, what you could do is the same thing for... Okay, so I'm just basing this off of, like... I'm basing this off of, like, a fan server. But you can still add announcements and stuff. So let's create a channel. So if we drag this back into here, there we go, announcements. And you know what? Just do the same. Do the same for what you just did in rules. So you can go back, see what happened. Just whatever. You know what? Do that. So I'm just gonna, you know, just do everything I need to do, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I added those two. Fine, right? And now I'm probably going to want to add like a links channel, a bots commands, but I'll do that later because, you know what, I don't feel like it. It's going to take a while. Now, for the final thing of this video, there's going to be a part 2. But for the final thing, we're going to show you how to make your rules look super pretty. And here are my rules. I really like these. So, as you can see, it has some nice fonts, some emojis to make it look pretty. You know, yeah, stuff like that. Then you can add roles, whatever. If you want to know how to do these, how to do the special fonts, I'll put a link down below so you can learn how to do it. It'll show you how. So you know what? I'll basically just I'll copy and paste everything, and then I'll edit it. I'll edit it in here. So you know I can do whatever. But first, I'm actually gonna put it into Notebook so I can have, you know, have more space. So I can have more space to see everything. So right now, I'm just gonna, you know, just work through everything, and I'm gonna come back. So I'm back with all the rules I've done. I changed it a bit. I just changed the roles and stuff. I kind of edited the rules. Basically, that's it. So I'll just copy and paste it. You know, get all that. Put it back in Discord. I accidentally closed out of it. And I'll just go into here, copy and paste it again, and just have it here. And if I do enter, there we go. The rules, they're here. It's so pretty. Although, as you can see here, none of these ads actually work. It's because I haven't made the rules yet, and yeah. And actually, if you see this, there's sparkly and stuff. Basically, all you have to do is just add the role, not, you know, just add the role, and it's gonna look all cool and stuff. So yeah, this is what I have so far, and yeah, that's kind of it for this video. I'll have a part 2 where I talk about other stuff like getting bots and making, yeah, just getting bots, a lot of cool stuff. So I just gotta say bye now. Thanks for watching so much. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm so happy you actually watched this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Alright.